I show you how to fix Windows Taskbar not working. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press on your keyboard Ctrl Shift and Escape and you will see Task Manager. Just find here like me Windows Explorer, go right click and you will see here Restart. Click on it. After that, just restart your PC. After restarting PC, press Windows button and type like me CMD and you will see here Run as Administrator. Open it. Go yes and type this command like me SFC/scan now and hit enter and wait for this. After finishing that, close this and restart PC again. After restarting PC, follow my steps. If you still have issues, press Windows button and type CMD again and open Run as Administrator and type this command like me and hit enter and wait for this. After finishing this, just close this, press Windows button and type like me update and you will see check for updates, open it and click here check for updates. And you will see updates, just wait for installing. After that, close this and restart PC. Just one more time. Turn on your PC. And that's it all guys for this video. How to fix Windows Taskbar not working, fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.